Julie this morning with a check on that forecast. Hey, Brandon.
Hey, good morning, guys. Starting with the tropics this morning because we're taking a live look out at Panama City, Florida. A lot of the clouds have actually cleared out, and it's nice to see that the power's on in a lot of places because the winds yesterday in Fred were gusting at this spot to around 60 miles per hour. They got a lot of rain with it too. Flood warnings still continue just from the leftover flooding in parts of the panhandle. This is where the depression is now. It's headed towards Atlanta. Will kind of rain itself out over the Appalachian Mountains, and that's where we could have some additional flooding the next couple of days. Here's Tropical Storm Grace. Maximum sustained winds are at 40 miles per hour, so it's not particularly strong. Look where the center is, and look how all the winds up near the clouds are blowing the thunderstorms to one side. It would be stronger if these thunderstorms fully wrapped around the center, and I think eventually that'll happen over the next couple of days. So it's still raining pretty heavy in parts of Haiti, Jamaica underneath tropical storm watches, and new this morning, parts of Cancun under a hurricane watch, just in case we see Grace strengthen enough once it passes the Cayman Islands that it reaches hurricane status. Forecast has a very close 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm making landfall somewhere late Wednesday night or very early on Thursday morning, and then in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. No effects from Grace expected here in South Florida. Here's Tropical Storm HENRI, not HENRI, because we're using the French pronunciation with this one, but it's expected to kind of skirt around Bermuda and head right on out to sea. No harm for the East Coast from that, other than some extra rip currents probably as we get through late this week. Otherwise, here locally, 90 degrees, looking good. Rain chance less than 50%, just a couple of small showers today, kind of like what we have on radar now, moving into southern Miami-Dade. Shouldn't cause too many problems today. I'll be back with our forecast because we have rain chances going down. I want to show you some of the driest days we'll see this week and if that'll last into the weekend too, coming up.